How to close all open apps on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can close all open apps on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to close all of the open applications on your iPhone, the issue over here is quite simple. You open a certain app, you close it by just swiping to the home screen. You open another, you just minimize them to home screen. You open another, again you minimize them to your home screen. But this is not really called closing. You're only minimizing them, and these apps are again open in the background. But if you'd like to also remove them from background, simply swipe up the recents menu like this, and you'll be able to see a list of apps that are open. Simply throw them upwards, and now those apps are successfully closed. This way you can close all open apps on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.